हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। जो किस्मत में है वो चल कर आएगा और जो किस्मत में नहीं है वो आकर भी चला जाएगा। व्हाट इज़ द मेन एम ऑफ एजुकेशन इन डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री? ए. सोशल एडजस्टमेंट। Which learning theory emphasizes learning through observation? C. Social learning. Who is regarded as the father of modern education? Answer is A. John Dewey. Which of the following is not a maximum of teaching? D. Abstract to concentrate. What is the full form of NCF? Answer B. National Curriculum Framework. Which commission is known as the University Education Commission? C. Radhakrishna Commission. Micro teaching is mainly used for the development of which skill? B. Teaching skill. Who developed the taxonomy of educational objectives? Benjamin Bloom. Which method is most suitable for teaching science at school level? C. Heuristic method. Action research is primarily concerned with what? Solving local problems. Who proposed the concept of multiple intelligence? C. Gardner. Which of the following is a cognitive domain objective? A. Understanding. Formative evaluation is used for what purpose? During teaching. What is the key features of inclusive education? C. Equal learning opportunities. Program instruction is based on which learning principle? D. Reinforcement. What is the meaning of heterology? Art of teaching adults. B. In which year was the RTE Act implemented? 2009. Which of the following is a characteristic of a good question paper? B. Clarity. Which education commission recommended the 10th plus 2 plus 3 pattern? C. Kothari Commission. Which of the following is related to curriculum development? B. Curriculum designing. Who introduced the concept? Of zone of proximal development? C. Yoshitsky. Summative evaluation is conducted when C. End of term. The term heuristic method is associated with which field? D. Psychology. Which organization is responsible for school education in India? B. NCERT. What is the focus of Bloom's taxonomy? D. Learning outcomes. Which teaching aid is audio visual in nature? B. Film. Which of the following is not an objective of educational technology? C. Teaching training. What is the first step in the research process? C. Problem identification. In experimental research, the variable manipulated is C. Independence variable. Which of the following is a qualitative research method? C. Ethnography. Piaget's theory deals with what kind of development? C. Cognitive. What is the best way to understand child psychology? Through observation. Which learning domain includes attitude and value? B. Effective. For teaching moral education. D. All of the above. Lecture, discussion, example setting. Which of the following is an example of a norm reference test? A. Olympiad. What is the meaning of reliability in testing? Objectivity. Which is the best method to evaluate teaching effectiveness? C. Peer review. Which document is essential for curriculum planning? Answer is B. Lesson plan. Which type of evaluation is done during the teaching process? Formative. Which of the following is related to ICT in education? PowerPoint. What does pedagogy means? Content delivery. Which approach treats students as active participants? A. Constructivity. Which component is not part of instructional design? D. Punishment. Which is the highest level of cognitive domain in Bloom's uh, taxonomy? Answer is A. Great. What does constructivism emphasize in learning? Knowledge construction. Non-project teaching aid. B. Chart. Which psychology is associated with operant conditioning? C. Skinner. What is the major focus of vocational education? B. Job skill. Which agency accreditates higher education institution in India? C. CBSE. Which type of research focuses on immediate classroom problem? C. Action research. Thank you for watching.